everyone! Have you ever wanted to change something in your community but didn't know where to start? Maybe you're frustrated about environmental issues, unfair policies, or something happening in your neighborhood. Well, today, I'm going to show you how to start a petition on change.org and actually make an impact. It's easier than you think, and I'll guide you through every step. Kaya, let's go! First thing first, what do you want to change? A great petition is clear, specific, and has real solution. For example, instead of saying, save the environment, a strong petition would be, ban single-use plastic in your city. About who has the power to make this change. It is your local government, a big corporation, a school board. The more specific you are, the more likely you get the result. Now, let's talk about writing your petition. You don't need to be a pro writer. Just follow the simple structure. Alright, let's make it official. Head over to change.org, click Start Petition, and fill in the details. Add your title, description, and most importantly, an eye-catching image or video to grab attention. People are way more likely to sign if they see a powerful image that connects to the issue. And now, you have petition. Let's get people to sign it. And that's it. You're officially on your way to making real change. It all starts with one voice, and when people come together, amazing things will happen. Thank you for watching. Bye!